Hello, welcome to this tutorial for T&G Vision. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the Barnes & Noble POS for multiple titles by on-sale report. Please note that it is important that you use Chrome when attempting to run Vision reports. In a prior tutorial, you were shown how to access the Vision reporting by logging into www.total-tng.com. Now that you have gained access to the T&G Vision reporting landing page, you can begin running Vision reports. First, select the Vision folder from the left toolbar. A new pane will appear listing the reports available. In this tutorial, we will cover Barnes & Noble for multiple titles by on-sale report. This report displays weekly POS sales for multiple BuyPads and issues. The POS weeks range from 1 to 9, including anything sold prior to pre-weekend and cumulatively after 9 weeks. To run, click on the actual report name. You'll have multiple prompts appear. The first prompt is where you will select one title or multiple titles, and you also have a starting on-sale date selection and an ending on-sale date selection. For this report, I will search on BuyPad 00411 and 00440. When inputting multiple BuyPads, you can change your selection parameter by selecting the contains any of these keywords from the drop-down box below your keyword search. I will now select the search icon, and my two titles appear. I can select them individually, deselect them, or choose the Select All option. Once your titles have been selected on the left-hand panel, you will need to select the arrow to add them to your choices box. Now these two titles are in your choices selection. Now we'd like to start a starting on-sale date. For this purpose, I'm going to select January 1st, 2016 to December 31st, 2016. Now that my titles have been added to my choices box and I have a starting and ending selection date, I can select Finish to run my report. Here in the top of the report, we have our filter parameters displayed for us. We are filtered on Chain Barnes & Noble, titles Catster and Dogster, from date range January 1st, 2016 to December 31st, 2016. Data is sorted by BuyPad, ascending, and suggested on-sale date descending, with most current first. We have the number of stores that have received draw, the number of stores that have reported POS sales, the total draw for those stores, the total POS sales for those stores, and their sell-through. In the top cross tab, we have our weeks displayed. Pre-on-sale date are the amounts sold prior to the pre-weekend date. So let's assume that 11/29/2016 is a Tuesday on-sale date. That means pre-weekend would have been Thursday, 4 days prior. Pre-on-sale amounts include anything on sale, anything sold Wednesday prior to that Thursday pre-weekend on-sale date. Week 1 sales are Thursday pre-weekend to Wednesday, 11/30/2016. Each week is a Thursday to Wednesday date range, with post-week 9 sales accumulation of everything sold after 9 weeks. To rerun this report, we will come up here to your blue toolbar and select the Run icon. Here, we can change our title selection or our date range. So I can keep the same titles. And let's say I only want to view data from October 1st, 2016 to December 2016. So with my titles in my choices selection box and my date range supplied, I can click Finish. And now I have Catster and Dogster from October 1st, 2016 to December 31st, 2016. To download this report, you'll once again come up here to your blue toolbar, select the drop-down arrow next to the Run icon. A new window pane will appear, giving you your download options. If you click to run in HTML, nothing will happen as we are currently in an HTML window. To run PDF, select the drop-down, select Run PDF, and your report will now be displayed in PDF layout. To download this report, come up here to your top right-hand corner and select the download icon, or to print, select the print icon. To return to your HTML report layout, come up here to the blue toolbar, select your down arrow option, and select Run HTML to take you back. To run in Excel, select the down arrow, Run Excel. In this version of the reporting, you will be required to reselect your prompts. This step will be removed in a future upgrade, but for now we will need to reselect and finish to download into Excel. My file has now downloaded into Excel. At this time, it is not recommended to run Excel data, as cross-tab functionality is not supported in the Run Excel data format. This concludes the BNN POS for multiple titles by on-sale report.